Okay, so I'm going to go to my file directory, and inside this file, let's open the command line with cmd. Okay, so now we want to use Next.js, right? So let's go to their documentation. Let's go to Next.js. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, this is the command, right, to create a new Next.js application. So let's copy this from here. So it says that npx create next app latest. So actually, when I was actually building this web page, I used the latest version of Next.js, that is the 14th version. So I found some problem with the 14th version with a with when using with InDesign, there was some iteration problems. So actually, we are not going to use the latest version. We are going to use the previous version of this. That is the most stable version. That is 13.5.1. Okay. All right, let's give it a minute. Okay, do you want to proceed? Yes. Okay, now it will give us some options. So what is our project name? So our project is TechSurf for you, right? Let's name it TechSurf for you front, right? Okay. So it asking us another question that would you like to use TypeScript? No. Would you like to use ESLint? Yes, we want to use ESLint. Would you like to use Tailwind CSS? We're going to enter no. And do you like to use the source directory? Yes, we are going to use the source directory to maintain all the files and folders. Would you like to use the app router? No, we are actually using the pages router. Would you like to use the custom default import alias? So just enter it at no. So now npx will actually create our Next.js application. So as you can see, it is installing React, React DOM, Next, ESLint, and ESLint config state. That means Next.js is actually using React DOM. So some of you might be familiar with React DOM. You have used it with React applications for routing. So Next.js actually another who uses React DOM. Okay, so let's give it a minute to initialize everything.